Hi, we're going to talk about sequences today. And sequences are just an ordered list of numbers. So it's just a list of numbers one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this goes on and on. So this is just a sequence of numbers. A term is each of the numbers in my list. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers, so it's a list of numbers that you add the same thing to each number to get the next number. So in this case, it's really simple. It's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, etc., etc., etc. It's a very simple one, but that is an arithmetic sequence. So let's look at another arithmetic sequence. And we're going to change this because it's not 25. It is 8, 13, 18, and 23. So we're going to think about how these numbers go from one to the next. In order to go from 8 to 13, we add 5 to it. From 13 to 18, we add another 5. From 18 to 23, we, add another 5. Okay, so what are the next three numbers in the sequence? So we take 23, and we add 5 to it, and we end up with 28. So the next term in the sequence would be 28. To find the next term, you take 28, and you add 5 to it to get 33. So 28, now 33. To find the next one after 33, take 33, and we add 5 to it to get 38. So those are the next three terms in my sequence. So 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, and 38. Okay? Well, let's take a different example. Let's take 0.4, 6/10, 8/10, and 1. So let's take that sequence. To get from 4/10 to 6/10, we add 2/10. To get from 6/10 to 8/10, we add another 2/10. And from 8/10 to 1, we add another 2/10. Okay, let's think about this as adding. So in all cases, we added 2/10 to get to the next one. So the next term is 1 plus 2/10, which gives us 1.2. Okay, the next term would be 1.2 plus 2/10, which is equal to 1 and 4/10. And then the next one after that would be 1 and 6/10. And again, it goes on and on and on and on like that. So that's how we figured out those two sequences. Okay, so we have 4 got-its for you. And our 4 got-its are, they are 0, 13, 26, 39, and 4, 7, 10, and 13. And C is 1, and 1 and 3/10, and 1 and 6/10, and 1 and 9/10. The one after that is 2.5, 3, 3 and 5 tenths, and 4 and 4. Okay, so pause the video and determine what the, how to get from one to the next and the next 3 terms in that sequence. So pause the video and try them out yourselves. Okay, welcome back. So in this case, to go from 0 to 13 to 26 to 39, we add 13. And the next 3 in the sequence are, let's see here, 39 plus 13 is 52. 52 plus 16, plus 13 is 65, and 65 plus 13 is 78, and it goes on and on and on and on. The next sequence, 4 to 7 to 10 to 13, we add 3 to that, and the next 3 terms are 16, because 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Oops, that doesn't really look like a 9. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25, and those are the next 3 terms in the sequence. 1, 1 and 3 tenths, 1 and 6 tenths, 1 and 9 tenths. In order to get from there, we add 3 tenths to the next term, to each of the terms to get to the next term. So that would be, the next 3 in that sequence would be 2 and 2 tenths. And after that would be 2 and 5 tenths, and 2 and 8 tenths. And then this one, to go from 2 and 5 tenths to 3 and 5 tenths to 4, is we're adding 5 tenths to each of the terms. So 4 plus 5 tenths is 4.5 tenths. 4.5 tenths plus 5 tenths is 5 tenths. Is 5. 5 plus 5 tenths ends up being 5 and 5 tenths, and that goes on and on and on and on. And that's how you figure out how to go from each term in an arithmetic sequence and how to find the 3 next terms for